अगर तुम्हारा बस चले ना तो तुम मुझे इस घर में रहने ही ना दो। अच्छा एक बात बताओ, अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे?
Heading C, अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो this can be expressed in English in two ways. Number one, if it were up to you. Number two, if you had your way. Now let's look at few examples. Example 1, अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम हर रात डिनर में पिज्जा खाओ. If it were up to you, you would have pizza for dinner every night. Example 2, अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम रोज रात को डिजर्ट में आइसक्रीम खाओ. If it were up to you, you would eat ice cream for dessert every night. अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम हर रात मूवी देखो. If it were up to you, you would watch a movie every night. अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम दिन भर सोते ही रहो. If it were up to you, you would sleep the entire day. Now let's see how we can use if you had your way. Example 1, अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम हर दिन ब्रेकफास्ट में चॉकलेट केक खाओ. If you had your way, you would eat chocolate cake for breakfast every day. अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम हर महीने छुट्टी पे जाओ. If you had your way, you would go on a vacation every month. अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो तुम एक और बिल्ली अडॉप्ट कर लो. If you had your way, you would adopt another cat. अगर तुम्हारा बस चले तो हर फ्राइडे छुट्टी हो. If you had your way, every Friday would be a holiday.
समझ गई मैं। अगर मेरा बस चले ना तो मैं तुमसे कभी बात ही ना करूं. If I had my way, I would never talk to you. सही है ना?